Hello. Today I will talk about the Python project I created to create a mobile recharge system. So the specifications were that the store manager wanted to develop a system where the customer would enter his details and the price is calculated and the customer is able to pay for it and a receipt is generated after the recharge is complete. So let me explain you the logic behind the program that I have created. Okay, so first I have used some data dictionaries for storing circle name, recharge types, and the payment method and data packs. I have used some variables for customer name, mobile number, and some group and some functions to call prepaid or postpaid functions and their subtypes. Another function for invoice generator and payment method, and some global variables to access from these functions. Okay, so the logic I've used is the customer is asked to choose one for prepaid and choose two for postpaid. If chooses one prepaid, ask him what kind of prepaid recharge would he like: full recharge, a talk time recharge, or a data pack recharge, and choose one option and then list down the packages available for that option. He chooses a pack, then he chooses a payment method, and the invoice gets generated, and we are adding 18% GST to the bill amount. Now for postpaid, the customer enters the bill amount, he chooses the payment method, and he generates the invoice. So this is the short logic of the program, and I will execute it now to explain to you how it works. So first let's get the customer name. So I'm entering my name. Okay, and then enter the mobile number. And then we get the circle ID. The circle ID is listed over here, as you can see, and we can just choose one. I'm choosing Jammu and Kashmir. And then we have the function listed here. So we go down to the main function. Okay, function to choose the recharge type. This is the primary function. Okay, so I execute this, and what do I choose? I choose one for prepaid. Okay, you chosen prepaid. What would you like to do? Press one for full recharge, and I will choose the plan from the list. I would like to make a payment, so I chose credit card payment, and then you can see here the invoice is generated. Okay, now I'll show you how it works for postpaid plans. Okay, so I'll run again. I'll choose two for postpaid. I'll enter the bill amount 800. How would I like to make the payment? I would like to pay by cash, and here the invoice is generated. So this is how the function works. Thank you. Okay, so let me show you some error handling that I've done in the program. So I'll execute it. Type 1 for prepaid, 2 for postpaid. I'm entering 3. Doesn't work. String. Doesn't work. I enter 1. Okay, then now let's choose a recharge plan from the list. Now I'm entering a number that is not in the list. Doesn't accept. I enter something else. Doesn't work. I have to enter a value that is in this list. Okay, now for the payment type, I'm entering a number which is not in the list. It's not between 1 to 5. So I say press 90. Doesn't let me go. 100. So I have to press it from the list. Okay, so that's how I handle the error part. Thank you.